Hey, welcome to Abs in the Kitchen. So I got a special treat for you today. I'm going to show you how to make pizza on your grill. To make it easy, I go to the local grocery store and pick up pre-rolled pizza dough. And once you got your grill nice and hot, you're going to throw them right on the grill. We're just only going to cook the one side. It's been a few minutes. Let's check it out. Yep, this one's ready to go. Look at that. Okay, so now what I've done is just cut them into different squares and sections so you can make your own pizza. You can choose the toppings to your liking. The ones that I'm gonna use today is I always start with my favorite pizza sauce. This is from the Del Grosso family. I personally know the family. I suggest only using their pizza sauce. I mean, they've been around since, what, 1914. Next thing I also use is turkey pepperoni, low-fat mozzarella cheese. You can see I got my special pizza sauce, my cheese, grilled chicken, turkey pepperoni, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go put it back on the grill for a few minutes. The uncooked side, right back on the grill. Don't go too far because this might only take 1 to 2 minutes tops. Okay, so they are done. Oh my gosh, do they look delicious. Let me show you this. Look at that. Pizza on the grill. Awesome if you have friends over. Great for a cheat night. Try this one. All right, time to eat. Bye.